In the evening, they emerge with one thing on their minds: a search for pleasure. The large and the small, the thick and the thin, the drunk and the easy. Some with skirts shorter than my drunken father's temper, and looser morals than my mother when the milkman arrives. Their ill-fitting upper attire is in accordance with the code associated with these hoes of the evening. No one knows where they come from, and no one knows where they go after the evening closes.